Hi guys, so we have a squishy dumpling.
Yay!
Now we're getting it. So let's open it. Just with this because
One time. Tomorrow.
tomorrow we're gonna buy it.
Yes. Please we get the glittery one.
I think it's white because
What?
we're
No.
new. Hey,
I
let's
think
open
that is blue.
Okay, let's open it. Why is not opening?
Me.
Oh, I think white. I'm right. Look. OMG.
Brown.
Where's the tissue? Oh, this one.
Let's wipe it up. So it's clean. That is clean.
So squishy, guys. Just wait, guys. Okay. Wait.
Squishy guys. And bye-bye.
Let's go. And this is the squishy dumpling. So cute. OFG. That's ASMR this. Oh my god. Let's go. Just quiet. We're gonna Shh, quiet. We're gonna try it again. Let's go. Because we're gonna ASMR this. Let's go. Guys, we have a squishy dumplings. Something I can't find.
Kumain na kayo?
Hindi ko alam sa kanila.
Mamaya pa daw uwi si mama. Sabay na lang ako yung mama si mama. Ikaw, gusto ka dutin ka na?
Kumain ka ng spaghetti.
Tsaka ay.